everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel. Today we are going to practice some brain boosting quiz and watch this video with your friends. Let's see who's gonna be the best. So let's start. Cross the picture that has the short "eh" sound. Red. Circle the animal that can fly. Butterfly. Circle the shape that has the most number of sides. Pentagon. Circle the animal that has claws. Lion. Circle the two things that the wind can move. Paper and curtain. Circle the picture that has the short E sound. Lip. Circle the odd one out. Shoes. Circle the picture that has the short O sound. Dog. Circle what you wear on your hands to keep warm. Gloves. Circle the vegetable. E. Circle the picture that has the short sound. Cup. Circle the shape that has no corners. Circle. Circle the picture that begins with the sound of the letter B. Ball. Circle the shapes that have sides more than a triangle. These are star and octagon. Circle the letter that comes between P and R. This letter Q. Circle the number that comes between 6 and 8. 7. What does a rabbit eat? Circle the right picture. It's carrot. What will you use to travel in air? Circle the right picture. It's airplane. Circle the picture with the W sound. Web. What does a fish do? Circle the answer. Swim. Circle the person wearing a cap. Second picture. What is the opposite of tall? Circle the answer. Short. How many oranges can you see? Write in the box. 4. Circle the animal that moves only on land. Elephant. Circle the one who is older. Third picture. Circle the picture that has the K sound. Cat. Which of these grow on trees? Circle them. Apple, orange and banana. Which of these should you stay away from? Circle them. Gas stove and iron. Where does a whale live? Circle the picture. Ocean. Circle the greatest number. It's 83.